How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and today we're going to be installing a pedal commander. Now, this is a very controversial part. Some people say it gives you power, some people say it does not give you power. So what we're going to do is explain what the pedal commander does and also show you in depth on how to install it. It should be a very simple install, so it shouldn't take you but maybe 10 minutes. But what I'm gonna do is explain what the pedal commander does. And one thing you should know, it does not give you power. All right, so this is the part that we're gonna be installing, the pedal commander. And to be honest with you, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, just from seeing, you know, on the website and everything. I thought it would be the size of my palm, but it's a lot smaller, so you can hide it anywhere in the truck. So the reason we're gonna install this is because, as you know, the Sequoia has a very slow response from the pedal. You don't get the get up and go that you need. So what I'm trying to remedy is just get a little bit more of a sensitive throttle just when I'm passing or when I'm towing or in town. I don't want fuel economy. I know this one has something for the fuel economy, but my main thing is to get the throttle to respond a little bit more crisp than what already has. So let's get into explaining what does the pedal commander actually does. So what does the pedal commander do basically? The easiest way, it changes how sensitive your pedal will feel while driving. I drew a work of art of a diagram right here, basically explaining how the pedal commander work in the simplest terms I can. Now, as you can see, this is the pedal right here, and these are the positions of the pedal. Now this is at 20%, this is at 40%, this is 60 and 80. Just went with 20% intervals just to make it easy. So basically, let's say you put it in sport or sport plus, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically what it does is from position 1, which is 20% throttle to 40% throttle, you put it on the max, basically changes from 20 to 40 to all 40% throttle. And then the same thing if you put it at, you want at 60%, is gonna be from 20 to the 60% position at 60% throttle. That's the easiest way I can explain it to everyone as far as what the pedal commander does, as far as sensitivity and how the throttle position of your pedal will be. Now from 20 to 60 is just you're gonna get straight 60% throttle, and then from 20 to 40 you're gonna get 40% throttle. That's the easiest way. Now of course there's gonna be a lot more intervals depending on if you put it on 1, 2, or 3, 4, and what different settings you can play with. The numbers could be endless, but yeah, that's the easiest way I can explain it. So let's go ahead and get into installing the pedal commander and see how it works. All right, so let's see what comes in the box with the pedal commander. Of course, you got their business card right here, and this is the pedal commander itself. Now we lift the box. As you can see, these are all the wires that plug into your pedal. We're gonna put that aside. It comes with zip ties, and I don't know what this is. But yeah, it comes with a Velcro if you want to Velcro it, so you can take it on and off easily. We're gonna actually show y'all a good location to put this at, and of course zip ties for the loose wires. But yeah, that's all it comes with the pedal commander. I like the box. It's kind of pretty cool that it comes in a box like that. I mean, everything looks like this high quality. It's a small pedal, small device. Yeah, again, do not mistake this, guys, for a performance chip or anything like that. It just basically changes the throttle position on your truck. All right, everyone, so we are at the gas pedal inside the vehicle. As you can see, this part right here, that plug, we just have to unplug that and then plug the pedal commander to it. So let me go ahead and unplug it because it's a little bit tight. And then we're gonna plug it, and I'll show y'all where we can install it here on the Sequoia, away from everything. So we did go ahead and unplug it right here. It was fairly simple. So let's explain these wires right here that go to the pedal commander. Now this one right here, this plug that has the white, is gonna go straight to the pedal. And then this other one, this male, is gonna go to the plug that we just unplugged, and that's how it's gonna sandwich. And then we're gonna run the wire all the way up here and hook it up. So it's a very simple install. So let's go ahead and install it and then mount it up. All right, everyone. So what I did is I zip tied it all the way up top. I don't know if you can see where I zip tied it right here. And then ran the wire, kind of slipped it through right here and made it come out to here, and then that's where we mounted that Velcro. So this thing was a alcohol pad, just kind of to clean up the area so the Velcro could stick right, and I stuck it on the back of the device itself. Now it is removable, so if you want to take it out and adjust it or play with it, I did go ahead and do a quick test drive with it, and guys, the throttle response is insane. Even on sport, I tried it on Sport Plus and Sport and City, and it changes the way the throttle responds, and it's actually works. I thought it would not work. I'm pretty happy with it just because it gives it the sensitivity that it needs, accelerating and all that. But now if you put it on Sport and Sport Plus, guys, it is really sensitive, and it does downshift the transmission a lot, so it could be a disadvantage as far as hurting your transmission, because it keeps downshifting. As I said, the throttle will be like at 60% all time. I put them on 4. So just that's one thing to think about if you're gonna, you know, put it on Sport and Sport Plus or any of those. The sensitivity is crazy. It's a little jerky too, so that's one thing that you should know about. I mean, I barely could touch the pedal and without it jerking and popping. So that's one thing kind of to be aware of. But overall, it's pretty amazing on how it changes the drivability of the truck. If I was in the city, just put it city at 4 and you'll be more than happy with the throttle position. If you need more, you got a ledge foot, you can put it at a higher, and as I said, with you giving it 20% position, it will be at 40 or 60, just depending on how high you put it. But yeah, highly recommend it. Now if you want something that will give you that little extra a response and everything, now it is not a performance chip, so don't think it's a performance chip. It's just a pedal response chip. You know, that's all it does. It just changes the pedal feel. All right, everyone. So I hope this information helps any of you guys that were debating on whether to buy the Pedal Commander or not. Again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just wanted to find out for myself if it was worth it or not. And to me, personally, it is, because it gave me the exact response I'm wanting from the truck. So hopefully this information helps you decide whether you want it or not. But if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming up. So see y'all next video, guys.